welcome back to our YouTube and our Facebook videos. This week we are doing our Christmas range. I know you might be thinking the C word, it's a little bit early to be saying it this week, but here at Wonky Candles we like to prepare ourselves extra early to make sure we've got the best possible quality products for you at Christmas. So this year I am super excited to announce that I've got 9 different fragrances. Some of them you will have seen from last year and I've had a bit of a revamp to them. Some of them are brand new to this year. So as you can see here, we've got the 9 candles that we've got for this year. They're all available in 300 and 750s, and some of them are available in 190s as well, which are all available on the website, which you can find the links to on our links below. Did you know when we purchase our wax, it comes in chip forms like this, and then we melt it down in our machine called Ruby, and that's how it turns into a liquid. So today I'm going to go going through to you all of the different fragrances, what each candle smells of, and then we're going to make our own Christmas candle. So let's get started. Got a feeling if I pick them up,
they'll tip over.
They'll fall all over, but they're balanced.
Okay, cool.
So, starting with the top of the pyramid of these candles, we've got this one, our festive frankincense. It smells of what it says in the name, a festive frankincense. It's a nice warm candle that you can put in your lounge or in your bedroom. The next one is our mulberry spice. It's a lovely rich mulberry smelling candle. It's really quite hard to describe what a mulberry spice is without really saying mulberry spice in it. The next one below is our candy cane, which everyone loved last year, so we brought it back again this year. It's got a bit of peppermint, a bit of candy cane, all mixed in together to create a luscious candy cane candle. We've got our famous, started right from the beginning when Wonky Candles started, gingerbread one in the middle. This year it's had a bit of a revamp. The gingerbread person has gone and it's now got a lovely gingerbread house with a gingerbread person in there. Last year you may have seen it as our striped candle. It was Christmas Eve. This year it's had a new design, new look, and I think it looks lovely. It's called Christmas pudding, so if you like Christmas pudding but you don't like the texture or you don't like the taste but you like the smell, this is the candle for you. Next one below it, everyone raved about this one last year. It's our winter's morning candle. It's our tie-dye, which we are very well known for. It's a top secret recipe that only a few people know about. Then the next one below it is new for this year. It's our bitter orange candle. Now this one takes the complements of orange, adds a bit of a hint of bitterness to them, match them together, and you've got a match made in heaven. Lovely lush bitter orange. Then our known favourite, what we're known for, which is our rainbow candles, in the same fragrance we did last year, which was golden berries and frankincense. It's back again, but again this year we've given it a nice revamp and a new look. Still the same great looking rainbow, just with a new sticker on it. And finally, it's back from last year. It's the pear and cranberry candle. Again, you'll all recognise it from last year if you saw the candle last year. Got the same vinyl on it, smells exactly the same. It's got the lovely scents of pear and cranberry merged together to give you the sweet but subtle sense of pear and cranberry. So, we've found out what the candles for this year are, but I'm fairly certain you'd like to see one being made. So let's get on and make one of the white candles this year. Again, we're going to start by adding the wick holder on and putting the wick into the candle. Like so. Let's pop that wick holder on. There we go, the wick's all ready and the jar's all ready. Now I've already melted down the wax that we need and I've already measured out the fragrance that we're going to need. So let's just add the fragrance and give it a good stir around. Shortly, once we've poured this candle, we're going to meet a bit of a fairy friend that I'm fairly confident you all know about. His name begins with a T and ends in a Y. I'm sure you've heard of him and I'm sure you've seen him and I'm sure he's bribed you into bringing some sales in before with some maybe gravy bones. So as you can see here, I'm pouring the candle in. And you never know, if he's a good boy during this video, I might just give him a gravy bone on the camera as well. So, whilst this candle is setting, let's go and meet Teddy, shall we? Come on, Teddy, this way. On the sofa. Teddy, what's this? What's this? Wait. What's this? On the sofa then? Yeah? Right. So here's Teddy. As you can see, he's quite lively today. So I thought I'd just introduce you to Teddy so you all got to see him and so that you all know he really was real. He is a real dog. He's got a bit of an obsession with balls, so to keep him here today, I've got his favourite ball that he likes at the moment. Now, earlier I said if he was good and he stayed, which he has stayed at the minute. Thank you, Teddy. I said I'd give him a gravy bone, so let's give him a gravy bone, shall we? Teddy, what's this? Nicely. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Steady down. Ooh, the gravy bone. There we go. Gravy bones are one of his favourite things he likes to eat. And it's a good way to get him to go to bed if you want him to go to bed, because he'll run to the bed straight away as soon as you pick one up. So, good boy, Teddy. Good boy. Can I have that? There we go. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. There we go. So that is Teddy, everyone. Yeah, don't bite my hand. Right. Teddy. Bed. Teddy. Bed. So we just met Teddy there. For an 18-month-old dog, he seems rather well behaved there, doesn't he? I think that might have been because I might have bribed him with a couple of gravy bones beforehand. But anyway, so you see that the candle's still setting there, so we'll let that carry on setting. But if you want to see what it looks like when it's fully set, why not check out another one of our videos, because again, in some of our videos, we make white candles so you can see what it looks like. Or alternatively, you could go onto our website and purchase one of our white candles from our Christmas range. Or if you can't do that, then why not just hit subscribe, like, or even leave us a comment. All of those are just as helpful as purchasing one of our products. So thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed it.